Hi friends, this is TravellinGeek and the much hyped phone of the year, that's 2022, is finally on my table. Well, isn't it really something? Well, this is the Nothing Phone 1 and this came in this cardboard packaging of Flipkart. Just open it up. Oh wow, so seems to be some bill. So what is this? Okay. So inside we have this phone. I'm just keeping this aside. This is a black variant, and as you can see, this is where this has been manufactured. Let's see. This has been manufactured by BYD India in India. That's nice. In Tamil Nadu. This is the 8 GB 256 GB version and not the 12 256, which most of the reviewers got it. Here is a seal. Tamper proof seal. Okay. So there is no any kind of packaging film on top of this. This is just the box, and I'm going to open this. Okay, how to open this? Okay, I need to open like this. Okay, so after trying to understand how to open this box, finally I'm opening this. I have to open it like this. Wow. And okay. Okay, I'm not opening it fully, so I can open like this. Let's try. Wow, not so easy task. Even it looks very simple, but you need to understand how to open this. Anyways, so here I have the phone. Finally. Wow. So this is the Nothing Phone 1, and this is the 8 GB 256 GB version. And as we all know, there is hardly anything inside. And here we have the basic leaflets. So they have given this unique ejector pin over here, which, wow, this looks nice. A type C to type C cable and a manual. That's it guys, nothing beyond this. Okay, I'm keeping the box aside. So nothing here. Wow, this is a solidly made. So there are two cameras on top. All we know that both are 50 megapixels, and one of them is Sony IMX766. I think this is the main sensor and this is the ultra wide, if I'm not correct. I mean, sorry, if I'm correct. This is the flash. This is the third microphone they have. Primary, secondary microphone, primary microphone over here. Speaker grill, type C port, uh, SIM card tray inside, and we all know that this is having a non-expandable storage. Wow, and do we have screen protector pre-applied? Oh yes, we have screen protector pre-applied. Thank you for Atlas giving us the screen protector pre-applied on this phone, because there is hardly any accessory right now available for this phone. Even a case is not available for this phone right now. So apart from having that out of stock official bumper case, which is costing 1499 in India, we don't have any option readily available. So let's switch on the phone. A nice vibration feedback, and this is Nothing Phone 1. and I need to select the language. Let's see which one. Pretty cool. I have option for English India as well as even regional language like Marathi Bharat. Pretty good. A lot of languages. Okay, I'm going with the English India here. Okay, connect to mobile network. Let's skip this part. Wow. So this is the first look. Let me see what it is showing over here. Okay. So have you seen the black model is actually having the dark mode enabled out of the box? Bluetooth is on. I don't know for what reason it's off, so I'm just keeping it switch off. Let's see a few things like what is the storage right now available. I'm just going to the settings, but how to go to the settings? Okay, here it is. Battery is 52% right now. Storage it is showing 16 GB used, 80 MB just by the apps. That's really nice. So hardly any bloatware. Pretty good. I won't say bloatware, but no third-party preloaded apps. Let's find it out. How many apps are there? Wow, not a single third-party application, just Google Apps, and that's it. So guys, the first impression is really solid. I mean, the phone built. I mean, this is a fantastically well-built phone. Uh, Something like I mean, they have tried to inspire from the iPhone design, no doubt on that. Very flat side metal frame, and this feels very solidly built. No doubt on that. And fortunately, I don't have any display issues. This looks really good display to me. I will have to set up this phone and install applications like the display tester and need to find it out whether the display has any issues or not. But overall, this phone looks superb, and yeah, obviously those lights. Let's check it out again. The glyph is already on, and how this sounds. Okay, so we have the notification sounds, feedback, flip to GIF. What exactly is this? So for quiet focus, put phone 1 with the glyph interface face up on a flat surface to trigger silent light only. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, so if you are having a call and you just flip the phone on the table, the ringtone will get silent and you will only have a lights as the notifications. This is pretty good. Okay, let's check to the other ringtone. Which one it has with more lights? Cool. Need to work on this more to find out more and more ringtones here. So thank you guys watching this bit longer unboxing video of the Nothing Phone 1. If you do like this video, don't forget to click on thumbs up and don't forget to share this video. I will follow up with more videos on this specific phone because this is a very interesting phone to me, and definitely this brand has tried to create something very unique with this kind of phone. This is Traveling Geek. I'm signing off. Bye bye.